Have you ever wondered what truly gives the US dollar its unmatched power in the global economy? It's more than just a piece of paper. For decades, the US dollar has been the dominant force, shaping global trade, finance, and geopolitics. But what is the secret mechanism upholding this colossal power? The US dollar, or USD, is the official currency of the United States. Beyond that, it serves a crucial function as the world's primary reserve currency. But why does the entire world rely on the dollar? Its status is maintained not just by the US economy, but by historical agreements and global trade mechanisms. To understand the present, we must look at history. The dollar's dominance is rooted in key moments of international monetary policy. Historically, the dollar was tied to the gold standard, meaning its value was backed by a physical commodity. However, this system eventually collapsed. A pivotal moment was the 1944 Bretton Woods Agreement, which pegged other major currencies to the dollar, and the dollar itself to gold. This cemented the dollar's central role post-World War II. The true, often cited secret behind the dollar's power today lies in the petrodollar system, established in the 1970s. In the 1970s, the US struck a deal with Saudi Arabia, the world's largest oil exporter, requiring oil sales to be denominated exclusively in US dollars. This agreement forces every nation buying oil to first acquire US dollars, creating massive, artificial global demand for the USD and strengthening its reserve status. Beyond oil, the foundation of the dollar's strength rests on something intangible: trust in the US economy and its institutions. The size, stability, and liquidity of the US economy, backed by robust legal and financial institutions, make the dollar a safe haven for global assets. Global markets use the USD because they trust it will maintain its value, allowing them to conduct international trade and store wealth securely. While the USD is dominant, its future is not guaranteed. Several global trends are challenging its supremacy. The rise of alternative global currencies, de-dollarization efforts by major economies, and the exploration of central bank digital currencies all pose potential risks to the dollar's unchallenged dominance. The secret behind the US dollar's power is not a single factor, but a triple threat: historic trade agreements, the petrodollar system, and enduring global trust in US economic stability.